Hey everyone, hey NailTubers, this is the Saviland Neon Glitter Polygel Kit. I really like the dainty packaging. It's so feminine, isn't it? Let's open it. Aww, there's a happy face. Dear friend, thank you so much for choosing us. We do hope that you like our products. Join us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook at Saviland. Giveaways are on the way. Wish you happy every day. And here's a brochure that shows all of their collections along with instructions. And these are the colors: a fluorescent, pink bloom, bright blue, bright red, shiny green, bright orange. And then there's a second tier that starts with one other solid color. Little lilac, blue, glittery purple, glitter blue, dream blue, glitter red. Dream blue is a color changing and starts out looking kind of fuchsia, and when it comes out the lamp it's white, so it's a little puzzling that it's called dream blue. As you can see, this kit is only about the colors, so there's no slip, forms, or brush. I feel it's nice for building a color collection, which is pretty much what I needed. And I also like that it offers a little of every type of gel with the shimmers, glitters, and color changing. Initially, I was getting a jelly-like feel from these polygels, which isn't what I was particularly looking for, but I do like how bright they are because I'm not necessarily stuck on seasonal colors. They turn out to be very pigmented with a high gloss. So those were the solid colors, and there's that one more, the purple on this stick. The camera isn't doing these any justice, but the glitters are very dense and come through with amazing sparkle. So here's a quick story about these dual forms I've had. Earlier this summer, I did a video on customizing dual forms. Well, actually even before that. I had already customized the dual forms and used them in a polygel video explaining what I did because I needed stiletto dual forms in my life. And I just couldn't figure out for the life of me why I couldn't find them anywhere. After I posted this video, our NailTube family member, DG, you all are familiar with her. She's been a very supportive subscriber. Love you, DG. Well, she requested a tutorial on how I customize them, so of course I did the tutorial. Then, you know what happened, right? Somebody came out with some custom stiletto dual forms. When I started hearing about them, I was basically like, "Say what?" So now I was thinking, somebody was listening. They had to be watching. Now, many of you might feel it was just coincidence, but don't take my little spotlight away. I feel like I earned some bragging rights here. Because I was looking everywhere for stiletto dual forms: YouTube, Insta, the internet, AliExpress, Amazon, eBay. I can go on. Now, on a more real note, this actually made me feel like I was on the right track, like moving forward considering what you guys, viewers, subscribers, enthusiasts want to see. So I just wanted to share my tiny moment of glory with you. But I do want to point something out. Now look, there isn't even a company name on the box, guys. It's like they were in such a rush to beat me at this. That's how I'm feeling. Don't take that away from me. It's like red pop. Some of you guys get that. Yes, girl, I've been from that life. Okay. Now let me show you these. Now, since these been out, I started seeing videos of those who say many of their sizes won't fit. I have a small to medium hand and was fortunate to find a good fit. Then what I noticed immediately when I opened them was they had that pull-off tab. Now that's something I didn't come up with, so it's a big plus. The one thing for me though, the cuticle end was rather squared off, so I ended up still having to do a little customizing. And I always try to remember resizing after I do this to double check if the fit is still good. And here are brief clips of prep work. Today, I chose Little Lilac and Glitter Purple because I know so many of you love purple. I do think it's very beautiful and it looked really nice on me. Manipulate the polygel with a brush dampened with alcohol. When it starts to become sticky, dampen the brush again. You always want to create a little more thickness in the apex area. I love these little tabs and how they make it so easy to handle the dual forms. So this is a condensed version of the application with dual forms. I think you should have it by now. Besides, this video was more about what I had to tell you guys. I needed to confide in you about what happened. If you've been enjoying this, hit the like button. Remember to leave me a comment. Didn't this set come out gorgeous? I chose purple especially for you. When you subscribe to this channel, you become part of this NailTube family, and when you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know every time I upload. I love this set and got so many compliments. And if you haven't seen it yet, I had these on when I did the previous video of the Lazy Girl method with a retrending of what I'm calling undercover nail bling. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.